This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening System Properties and launching System Restore. This reverts system files and settings to a previous snapshot. Once done, pick a restore point that predates the issue and read its description to confirm relevance. Make sure you save any open work because Windows will restart. Closing background apps reduces conflicts. You're restoring system files, drivers, and registry entries, not personal files, so you can proceed without worrying about documents, but still back up critical data first. Next, restore user settings and files using backup and file history. This step brings back personalization, app data, and documents. If you created a system image, choose Recover from a drive in Advanced Startup to restore an exact snapshot. Once done, verify that your Microsoft account sync is enabled so themes, passwords, and browser settings repopulate. Go to Accounts, right arrow, sync your settings. Make sure external backup media is connected and powered, and confirm the restore point or image date. Finally, update Windows and drivers to resolve compatibility after a restore. Outdated drivers often cause residual problems. If the system still misbehaves, use Reset this PC and choose Keep My Files to reinstall Windows while preserving documents. Once the system is stable, create a fresh restore point. This gives you a reliable fallback. If something goes wrong during restore, boot into safe mode and run sfc/scano and dism to repair system files before attempting another restore. That often fixes underlying corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.